Are you one of those people who are wondering, should I fire up incense, light a candle, ring a bell, play music, or do anything else when I start my meditation practice? I mean, why do people do those things? Do you wonder about that? Are you unsure whether or not you should be doing that? If yes, you're in the right place because I'm going to offer 5 reasons why meditation rituals, such as those I mentioned, improve your meditation power. I'm Shirley Archer. I'm the best-selling author of 15 books on fitness and wellness, an award-winning trainer, a mindful meditation and yoga instructor, and a mindful health educator. I am passionate about providing you with tips and information to empower you to create the healthy, happy, energetic, and joyful life that you deserve. So let's get to those 5 reasons why meditation rituals improve your meditation power. Firstly, they prime the brain. When you light candles or use a diffuser or ring a beautiful chime, you prepare the mind for meditation. And that's very important because meditation is actually an altered state of awareness. So we need to prime the brain to prepare to go into the altered state. Number 2, engaging in these activities helps to set your intention. It is a way to alert your mind that we're going to meditate and enter into a calm state of focused awareness. Number 3, you use reminders that are calming. For example, if you light a scented candle or you light incense or use an essential oil diffuser. This is actually a pretty cool one because you put the essential oil inside. These scents have a very powerful way to connect with your memory. So using scents that you love, I particularly love orange blossom, but if you like lavender or any scent that vanilla, whatever makes you feel calm and peaceful, these reminders help you enter a state of calm. For example, you can also wear a meditation shawl. This is another ritual that helps to create the mood for meditation. It's just alerting the mind that you're going to be engaging in a different activity, and it prepares the mind. And it helps you to create a positive habit. Tip number 4. You want to shut out distractions. So depending on where you are, if you play peaceful background music, that's going to help get rid of other noises that may disturb you and distract you from your meditation time. Number 5, you create a positive habit. And this is very important because all of these things, candles, incense, calming music, your comfortable shawl, the beautiful sound of the chimes or gongs or singing bowls, all of these things support your positive habit. It preps the mind for the fact that you're going to enter this altered state of awareness. It supports your feeling of calm, and it boosts the habitual aspect of doing this. And each time it will become a little bit easier to slip into that meditative state. And these practices will actually help you access that state of calm, focused awareness more easily, and it will help inspire you to do it on a regular basis. So I hope you try it. And let me know in comments below what your favorite rituals are. I'd love to learn if there's something new that I haven't tried. Each week I share health, happiness, and mindfulness tips. On Thursdays, I release a new video, so please click subscribe below. And I look forward to seeing you next time. This video is part of my how to start a meditation practice for beginners. So please subscribe so that you don't miss any additional videos. Thank you.